Oh, how is everyone doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm feeling very good today. And one thing I realized is that yesterday I completely forgot to show you what these things look like on feet. And they're amazing. And that is a disservice to society to not show you what these things look like on feet. Let's check them out. So I am at my dad's house today because I needed to steal the printer to print off shipping labels for StockX. I sold a pair of shoes on there, and this is not sponsored by any means, but it's like such a freaking easy way to sell shoes. Now if it's a new release, I usually can sell them in town, but if it's an older release that maybe not as many people are looking for and actually goes for a decent amount of money, selling them on StockX is super easy. So I'm sending off an older pair of my Yeezys today that I just realistically don't need in my collection, and making room for another pair of kicks as well, of course. I needed to make sure I actually did this today because it is the last day of the year, which is nuts. I'd like, what? How did that happen? How did 2018 fly by so quick? It's been a really good year, I'm not gonna lie. I've had tons of great experiences. There's been ups and downs, of course, just like any year, and there's been some not so great things that have happened, and there's been some amazing experiences that have happened, but overall I'm super thankful that I was able to see, meet, and accomplish everything and everyone that I did in 2018. And I feel like at this time of year, everyone's really focused on the best pickups of 2018 and the top 10 of 2018 and what's coming in 2019. And instead of looking at shoes, what I picked up, or what the best sneaker store I went to in 2018 was, I wanted to take a quick couple of minutes to take a look at my 5 best memories, the 5 best days I had in 2018. So probably the 5 best moments of the year in no particular order. I have to choose, first off, I had an amazing day when I was in Hong Kong and we decided to go play basketball. That had to be one of the best experiences, and especially going to the second court that we went to, there's a whole bunch of kids playing there, and just how excited they were to see some random guy from Canada that happened to be a YouTuber. It was really cool. So you ready to dunk on those kids?
Dude, these shoes feeling good, man. They're feeling great.
Okay, but are you ready to dunk on the kids?
I don't want it. They're too nice.
Another great experience was getting to go to New York in January with Pete and Dylan and Eric. That was really fun. I went to Philly and saw people get in a fist fight. No one day in particular from that weekend that I remember the most. I just remember that it was a great trip. The weather was beautiful, and I'm so excited to be going back there in a couple of days. Another great time that I had this year was going through Singapore and just exploring how beautiful that city was. It was really a great opportunity and an incredible place to visit, and I'm super happy I had the opportunity to do that. Not necessarily the greatest time of the year, but definitely something that I'll remember for a long time, well past 2018, was the time that I got snowed into New York, fell asleep in the airport, lost my phone in the airport, got snowed into Minneapolis, got stuck in Minneapolis for a day and a half without a phone, almost missed my second flight, and eventually made it back home. That was an experience. You guys want to hear a good one? Okay, I'm gonna give myself 2 minutes to complain, and then I'm done, and it's back to positive for the rest of the video. 2 minutes to complain, and I'm done. So I was originally supposed to go back to Winnipeg at like 8 o'clock tonight. I had to change my flight because Matt, my friend, who is also the varsity coach at the school that I coach, junior varsity, needed to leave the city for work for a conference. So I need to coach varsity tonight, and we're actually coaching against the team I used to coach against, so I'm actually pretty excited for that. As a result, I needed to change my flight because I can't exactly land at 1 a.m. tonight if I'm supposed to be coaching at 7. So I changed my flight, leaving at 8:15 in the morning. Pete and Dylan were leaving at 7:30 in the morning. So I'm like, hey, let's just split the cab fare, go to LaGuardia together, makes more sense. I got there 45 minutes earlier than I needed to though, because their flight was 45 minutes before mine. I hadn't slept at all the previous night because Eric and I were out at a comedy club until 3 in the morning. morning. So naturally I decided to take a nap at the airport. I completely passed out. I woke up, everyone had already boarded the plane. They were gonna close the gates in like 2 seconds. I was sitting there right in the gate. I don't know why no one woke me up, but I'm sitting there right beside where you're supposed to board the plane, and no one decided to wake me up. Thankfully, I make it onto the plane. I get on the plane, put my bags on the plane, I sit down, I immediately realize I don't have my cell phone. My cell phone was sitting on my lap when I was sleeping, so I knew exactly where it was. It was sitting on the chair by the gate. I knew exactly where it was. I rung the assistance bell, told the stewardess, hey, I forgot my phone, it's here, can you get someone in the airport to go look for it? They had already closed the plane doors, so there was no way I was gonna look for it. She said, yeah, sure, we're gonna get someone on it. The captain took my information, like my name and my seat number and my passport and all that stuff, so he could tell the airport whose phone they were looking for. We land in Minneapolis. I ask if anyone knows if they found the phone or not. They're like, oh, we don't know, you need to go to the Delta help desk. So I'm gonna go to the Delta help desk. Probably one of the lowlights of 2018, I'll be 100% honest with you, but overall, I mean, it's now, I can laugh at it looking back at it right now, and it was just such a crap show of a 36-hour span of trying to get home from New York to Winnipeg and losing my phone. It was not a fun day. And I broke my camera lens. I completely forgot about that too. I also broke my camera lens. That was just a really crappy couple days. Speaking of today, we do have the last sneaker pickup of 2018 in my hands right now. I have bought way too many sneakers this year, and this is the last one that I will be purchasing. This was sent to me from my hookup at the Nike outlet. Not the Nike outlet in Winnipeg, but one of these wonderful viewers watching. Thank you, dude. You know who you are. He has sent me a bunch of stuff from the Nike outlet before. He hits me up whenever there's a good price or a good deal at the Nike outlet he works at, and I generally buy it because he only hits me up when it's like really good prices. So this pair of shoes right here, I do already own, so we're gonna be giving them away. All you guys need to do is follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk and comment your Instagram name down below on this video, and you will be entered to win. I'll be choosing the winner probably January 4th. You know, I'll give you till January 4th. So follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk. You can win these shoes for free anywhere in the world. I'll ship them out to you. These retail at $160, and I paid, after his Nike discount, I paid $55 for these. That is incredible. One of the best sneaker steals of the year. It is a pair of Jordan 1s, which I'm crazy excited about. And then popping these open and taking a look at them, it is the Sport Royal Jordan 1s, brand new, of course, straight out the box. Oh my goodness. Now I already own these, as I said. I do not need these, so I will be giving them away. They are size 12. Just hop over to my Instagram and give me a follow. You guys probably don't need to see too many details of these. I mean, I have made a full video on this pair of shoes already, and I do really like them. I personally haven't worn my pair, but one of you guys is gonna get to wear this pair, which is awesome. This is the final sneaker pickup of 2018. I don't want to keep you guys around too long. For you guys that say I make every video 10 minutes, you know what, you're right. Most of the time I do. We're not going to end 2018 that way. Let me know what you think of these sneakers. Make sure to enter the giveaway. I'm just feeling in a really good mood right now. I'll see you guys in 2019. So until next year, peace.